Look at who has received the coronavirus vaccine in Missouri. Not every demographic of the population has been getting it equally. KCTV5 News obtained statistics from the state of Missouri specific to Jackson County and found some clear racial disparities. KCTV5's Nathan Vickers breaks down those numbers and shows us who's trying to narrow that gap.
Community clinics like this one are trying to make up for racial disparities in vaccine distribution, disparities that exist across the state and here in Jackson County. More than 400 people a day are walking through the doors of Morning Star Baptist Church in East Kansas City. Pastor John Miles wanted his building to be a resource for people trying to access the vaccine.
Pastors are very familiar how to gather the people for any event, and this is what has happened here, is the pastors has worked to help gather the people to come.
But on a larger scale, areas like this one have been underserved in Missouri. We requested county-specific data from the state in February. They haven't given us dates for the numbers, but it showed that 6% of Jackson County's white population is vaccinated compared to just 1.5% of the black population. The Latinx community, which is dying from COVID at a disproportionate rate, is also being vaccinated disproportionately. There are just over 1,500 Latinx people vaccinated in Jackson County, while more than 30,000 people who do not identify as Latinx are vaccinated.
I think it's really disturbing.
Gwen Grant runs the Urban League of Kansas City. She's concerned that not enough vaccines have reached communities in Jackson County hit hard by the pandemic.
The reality is that Black people want to get vaccines, and we need to get these shots in Black people's arms because we are infected and dying at higher rates.
Miles Church offers one solution: targeted clinics in familiar settings that can reach people where they are.
Just excited that it has come to the community.
The state of Missouri did not provide dates to go with the county level data they provided, but on a statewide level, some of those disparities have started to narrow in the past few weeks. In Kansas City, Nathan Vickers, KCTV5 News.